strike shook the heart of the Gulf. For the first time in modern history, Israel launched an attack inside Qatar. It wasn't just an explosion in Doha. It was a spark that could ignite something far greater, something written in prophecy. On September 9, 2025, Israeli warplanes struck a residential compound in Doha, claiming it targeted Hamas leaders. Qatar called it state terrorism. Saudi Arabia and the UAE called it a violation of sovereignty, and Russia condemned it as a gross violation of international law. For decades, the Arab world has been divided, rivalries, normalizations, and mistrust. But this attack changed something. The Gulf states, even those who had grown closer to Israel, now stand in solidarity with Qatar. The voice of the Arabs is rising again, united against aggression. Yet beyond Arab solidarity, another shift is happening. The Muslims are looking east. Russia condemned the strike. Iran offered support, and questions began echoing in the Gulf. If America cannot protect its allies, whose shield can we trust? Over 1400 years ago, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "You will make a peace treaty with the Romans, and together you will fight an enemy behind you, and you will be victorious." Abu Dawud, Musnad Ahmad. Scholars explained, Rome means the Eastern Romans, today's Eastern European Christianity, especially Russia. The Hadith speaks of a common enemy, that Muslims and Rome will fight together. Could it be Zionist expansionism? Could it be Western global power? Or perhaps an unseen enemy yet to emerge? Only Allah knows. But today, Muslims and Eastern Christians find themselves facing the same threats. The strike on Doha may be more than politics. It may be prophecy unfolding. First a truce, then a great battle, and after victory, the Hadith tells us disputes will arise, leading to the Malhama al-Kubra, the great Armageddon of Islam. From there, the path leads directly to the coming of Dajjal and the descent of Prophet Isa, peace be upon him. Doha was only the beginning. The Arab world is uniting. The Muslims are looking east. The prophecy of Rome may soon become reality, and we may be standing at the edge of the final hour.